What if I told you your relationship isn't struggling because of love, but because of how you're doing love? All right, I used to think I was showing up in love until I asked, am I creating oxytocin or cortisol for my partner? Do I value being right over being in love? Or do I love them how they receive it or how I insist they receive it? You see, that's when I discovered what separates ordinary lovers from extraordinary ones. It's non-transactional. So I came up with 3 secrets to help you avoid ordinary patterns and step into extraordinary love. All right, secret number 1, oxytocin is the love hormone. Cortisol is the stress hormone. So which are you producing in your partner? Think of it this way. When you ask a question and it seems a little off, maybe you've got a tone or there's some sarcasm included in it, do you think that's creating oxytocin or cortisol? Right. Oh, what about how you answer their questions? Does that got a little zing to it? Yeah. Think about that before asking or answering questions. Secret number 2, you can't be right and be in love. Love always chooses connection. What do I mean by that? Well, have you ever had the always never fight? You always, yeah, well, you never. One of you is right, but does it really matter? What you want to do is you want to learn to return to love, because connection is what love is all about. Secret number 3, loving someone means learning their language, not forcing yours on them. So what are their languages of love? Do you know? It's probably a good idea to find out. Listen, join us for our live webinar on Saturday, July 12th, and discover how to turn conflict into connection and ordinary into extraordinary. Simply click the link or comment love to get your invite.